Here's one idea of how to fix if your SimPad and LinkBox are not connecting. So make sure that you have two lights that are illuminated on the LinkBox. The one on the left is obviously the power, the one on the right is the signal. This will illuminate blue once it's connected to the SimPad itself. So, and this troubleshooting applies to SimPad or SimPad Plus. You can see I'm not connected on the display there, so you're gonna need Ethernet cable. So plug it into the, so do this with one hand, bottom of your SimPad, you get the idea. And then the bottom of your LinkBox. And then just give it about, I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute to connect. Make sure that your battery is fully powered, or at least above 70% for the SimPad or the LinkBox battery. That is because after 17%, it starts to pull back features in order to reduce power consumption. So make sure that you're at least above 17% when you're doing this. So now we're gonna sort of force the connection. We're gonna click on settings, and then we're gonna go to, so we got a reflection, simulator SimPad. I'm not connected to a mannequin, but I know this is LinkBox number 9, and you can see it's not checked. So I'm gonna select it, and then whatever it says, say yes. And then now it's connected. So hit back. Now, if that doesn't work, you can also, after doing that, you're gonna hit the Wi-Fi and then just do Simlink network and then hit yes. I have a, it's sort of a custom one based on our SimPads, because we have about a dozen of these, so I don't want them to all be seen together in case this issue does happen for our staff. So I have a custom network, which I can show you how to do as well. So I'm gonna do custom network. I have it named as SimPad number 9, channel 9, because it's LinkBox 9. I think you can go up to 12, I do believe. Sorry, 11, and it skips there. But anyways, number 9 is what I'm using. And then hit OK, and then hit OK. Just keep saying yes. And then establishing connection, all that jazz. And then hit back, back. And then now you want to power it off. Pushing the power button up top for 2 seconds. And then go ahead and turn off both. And then you want to power them both back up to confirm. So once they both power down, you can see the blue light over there. Once they both power down, they should automatically connect together. Once you connect them together for about a minute, they can sometimes sort of reconnect themselves and reconfigure themselves, but this is sort of the faster way to do it, I would say. So they're both powered off. Unplug. I always power up the LinkBox first, because that's the way that Laerdal trained me. And then the SimPad. Button. Just wait for those to power up. To see the green icon start to flash. If it's flashing red, that means there's something wrong. This is flashing because it's in its boot up process, so just wait for that. The SimPad Plus powers up, connects a little bit and powers up a little bit faster than the regular SimPad, but it's about a minute difference, if that. So, and it should connect right away. You should see this light change from from green to blue on the right side there. There it is, and we can visually see on display and the power on both. And that is it.